my personal experience. To be honest, I was a victim of spreading my private photo in social media. And I'm really sorry.
Laban ni Tommy.
Laban.
True.
Sorry.
Check Tommy, check.
Hey judges, so here's your first question.
Ano kilala ko siya?
Hey judge, ano yan?
Hi everyone, good afternoon. My name is Jonas Masongsong Alina, originally from Quezon Province, and I'm 27 years old. And something about myself, I'm currently a brand presenter. If maybe you know me, maybe I can scroll guys sa TikTok and you will see me doing live at Bench. I'm San Brief. Yeah. I'm Jonas Alina po.
Siya pala yun.
Can we ask for a sample? Go candidate, go judges, you may throw your questions.
Hello. How will you best represent the platform of Mr. Brand Philippines to help our youth develop?
Since I'm exposed to TikTok, which is the most popular platform as of today, I think that the edge or the thing that I can do for our youth is to encourage them to go out of their comfort zone. For those men that is imprisoned by their fear and by other doubts of themselves, I'll try to encourage them. Like me, I'm a shy type person, but once I decided to go out of my comfort zone, it's the time that it's only after you go out of your comfort zone wherein there will be a change and there will be a change and there will be a transformation in your life. And that will be it.
Tell something more about yourself, your educational background, your roots, your province, and your advocacy.
I graduated Bachelor of Science, major in Instrumentation and Control Engineering. And I'm so sorry, what were the other questions? I'm so sorry. It's
Where you from? Your province?
I'm originally from Quezon Province.
Which part of Quezon?
Municipality of San Antonio, near Lipa, City, Balanas.
Pinaparin ka ni Espada, Mayor Wata.
Yes.
I'm
Yes,
from
sir.
Quezon also.
What municipality, sir?
Lumaka, Quezon.
Lumaka. So it's for...
I'm assistant politician there, fourth board member, the province of Quezon. Nag-join ka ba ng Tubugan before?
Yes, I was held as the 2023 Innovative Yoga and Health and Wellness Fitness.
Because I'm the author of LAT, the New Tubugan Festival in Quezon Province. Yes, you come all the way from Quezon?
No, I'm currently residing in Taguig because I'm working in BGC.
Kailan ka umuwi sa probinsya na?
Maybe pag nakapasok po ako dito, mag-isikaso muna ako ng mga requirements kasi hindi po ako talaga umuwi. By that time. By that time.
Hi. So you have obviously a strong following sa social media, yung social media presence mo. Joining a pageant, iba yun, kasi dapat may message ka, may purpose yung masali mo sa pageant. So how will you use your social media power to your advocacy? And tell us a bit about your advocacy.
My advocacy is speaking from my personal experience. To be honest, I was a victim of spreading my private photo in social media. And I'm really sorry.
Take your time.
Because it's too personal to share, and my news go all over the Twitter account before. And before, I'm also trying to start my career in showbiz, however, and postponed po siya because of that. I was depressed by that time, and kasagsagan po siya ng pandemic. And, but by that time, when I'm by myself, I realized that if magpapadala ako state ko ngayon or sa problema ko ngayon, walang mangyayari sa akin. And I decided to join pageant, to redeem myself, and to redeem my confidence. And this will help my advocacy as a social media influencer to encourage everyone that every time you are experiencing or you are facing to hard time of your life, you need to always push yourself and don't let everybody affect what your purpose in life. And by that, I think I will be great, what do you call this? And magiging malaki ang ambag sa ating Mr. Grand Philippines, and I will influence more men like me that before is shy-type and also imprisoned by my adults sa sarili to go up to your comfort zone and always push yourself the limit, because by that time you will achieve more heights and you will be the best version of yourself.
Hello, candidate number 21. Are you aware that you have a good speaking voice? Are you aware that you have a good speaking voice?
Not really, because I'm not looking to myself that high.
So you don't hear yourself talking. Anyway, did you ever consider, well, since hindi mo naman pala alam, tatanong ko sana if you wanna consider to be working in a radio station.
As of the moment, I'm really good with my job and it's giving me a good benefit and salary. So I'm not really sure, but it really depends. It will help me grow and develop myself.
Yeah, because there's a lot of DJ who gives advice to people. And do you sing?
Yeah, but I'm not really that good. I can sing.
Okay, can you give us a sample?
Maybe this time it'll be love and they'll find. Maybe now they can be more than just friends. She is back in his life and it feels so right. Maybe this time love won't end.